All right guys, GTR remote start completed. Give you a quick demo. On the factory key, you simply tap the lock button 3 times. Give it a few seconds to turn on all the electronics and fuel pump and whatnot, and then she'll fire up. There it goes. So when you guys are ready to leave, you can come out and simply press the unlock button, and then you're gonna go ahead and get in the car. And once you're in the car, you can tap the brake, pull it out of park, and away we go. All right, we're gonna give you a quick demo on the GTR with our app module. So as you can see here, we'll have start, stop, lock, and unlock. So hit the start icon. You're gonna give it a few seconds, just like on the key fob, to turn on all the electronics and everything, and then she'll start up. And once it's running, we'll have a timer here for the duration of the remote start. As you can see there, usually it's 15 minutes. So you can lock it, unlock it, you can stop it. That'll kill remote start. And then if you come up here, you can hit this little arrow at the bottom. We're not gonna use any auxiliaries, but you can hit this and it will bring up the GPS location of your vehicle. So you can do hybrid, standard, whatever, kind of like Google Maps there. And that's it.